Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to another edition of Awesomecallstrading.com. I'm AJ. What's going on? I'm one of the mods in here. And today, Act was on fire. I am up. I'm green again. But I don't want this to be like another. Didn't we hear this recording yesterday? Well, I don't know what's going on with TD. I just do not know because I'm getting walloped, if that's a word. I mean, I don't know. Just in a nutshell, a stock runs 40 points, and when your platform only lets you make a couple $100, there's a problem. That's all I can tell you. I have never seen some of the most horrific routing, fills, holds, pauses. You know, uh, I don't know. To be honest, I don't think TD Ameritrade was built for what's going on today. But hey, it is the system I use. There are days I can get through it all the obstacles, and make a killing. And then there are days it frustrates me. But I have more positive days than frustrating days. And because I trade live, I'm going to make a trade. Excuse me. And because I trade live in front of everyone, you know, I don't know how you act at home, but I do get frustrated. If let's say like this, if I'm long right here, and I got this thing getting ready to move, and I'm long, and I go, and I'm getting ready, and I click it, and then they hold it. This is TD, right? Here's another one. Here's a perfect example right here. You see this? I'm going, okay, I like this. I want to long it. I long it. They hold my ticket, and then they wait to fill it here when it's pulling 2, 3, 4 points, and then they fill it. So when it goes through, instead of being green on this candle on this move, they're negative me 200-300 on their pause. And this pause right here is 10-15 seconds. So they're pausing me. So I don't know what's going on. And but it is what it is. So, but I'm green. I'm trying to get to at least over $500 or $600. I mean, close out the day with that. But got a few more trades to do. Anyway, we had a good day today. Room was on fire. People doing everything. Lots of goals being met. Twitter going crazy. Everybody's happy. I want to thank a lot of the following. I must have received probably my following, I think 200 followers in just the last 4 days, 5 days. Just mostly traders from all over. So I want to thank you, welcome you for following me. I appreciate it. It's pretty cool. But I'm AJ, and this is Awesome Calls Trading. These are the calls we did today. Basically, EDNT received a 10 million order, which is their job, and I called her short to $3 and under from 550. The stock hit 550, and the stock is currently trading now at $2.50. Love, this was an earnings beat. You can check out the chart later. And basically, what I did on this one is I wanted the stock to gap fill to 650, bottom curl, and go long. And the stock hit 690. 680. So I was a little bit 30 cents off, but the stock did run a 1.5 all the way up to $8.25. So it was a nice little trade for us. And then I moved up to Ruckus. Ruckus was the Rumorville chatter from Guild. That Guild might retake a position. So on that one, all I did was, hold on. Looks like I got a trade coming. Hold on. A little scalper. Hold on. Not much there. No, not much there. Really, not much there. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. I'd like it to pop, but I'm not feeling it. Let me just do a little quick one. Let me see if it pops. Even just a hair. I got $5. Yeah, I can go park a car. Hold on, let me go do this one. Oh, there it goes. You see that? Oh, you dog meat. You see that? That was dog meat right there. You see that fill right there? See how it popped up there? It gave me $8 on that one. Oh, that was a beautiful pop up to 741. Whoever did that, wow, somebody did a true market order on that one. So if I can pull it here, there's 637 back down to lows again. Okay, that's fine. I'm over 620 on the trade. Take care, Nicholas. Thank you for your morning tweet, boss. Thank you very much. It was awesome of you. Okay, trade is done. I'd like to get another one, so if I see it in the corner of my eye, I'm going to go for it. Okay, so that one interrupted me for about $35, $40 total on 2 trades. You get my tweet? No, just make sure you go, when you tweet, go put AJ Trader 7, and you have to separate it. Okay, you got to do it like that and separate. You can't have anything clogging it or next to it. Otherwise, you can't have it in a sentence. You know, so that's probably why I didn't get your tweet. I just made $51. You see that move right there? That was $51 I just made. So I'm up 658.55. My goal is to get to 800 on Tesla. So I got 100 and something to go. So I'm doing this live. I might as well record it. I am recording it. Sorry, traders. So let's see if I get to 742 on the next pop. This is called scalping. I'm in scalp mode right now in the chart. There's 742. You see that moving up? See that pop right there? Plus 700 futures. Good, good. I didn't sell quick enough, so they took $6 from me on that one. But no biggie. I love trading Tesla because of the range. This range here is 4 points. So if I can nail that for see that one right there? I made $66. I'm up $709.33. You see that? That's a point and a half. This is why I do what I do. You see that? If I would have saved it, that's another point right there. That would have been an extra 100 in my pocket. I would have been at 800. You see that? This is what I do. This is what I do. Blow it up, look at it, make money. Okay, I need $97 to be at 800, which was this morning's play this morning. So let me see if I can pull it back down. All right, there's 742.84. Let me see if I can yank it. I don't want to buy that top right there. Yeah, that's a no-no. But it's going to move. Hold on. Hold on. There's a seller. Oh, it's going to go. You see that? Watch it go. It's going to rip. Okay. Oh my gosh. I was up 20 and they took down 4. Go right there. Get the money back. Oh, they're taking it from me now. Yeah, they keep taking. It's okay. Let me get it back. Give me a second. Give me a second. Okay, good. And if Netflix popped too. Okay. Netflix, let me go over there. I'm up 100 on Netflix, so maybe I can get a few bucks there. Wow. Because that moves in dollars too. Let me go scout. Oh, no. Tesla wants to move again into close. All right, let me see if I can get that right there. Okay, just made $80. I'm up 752.06 on that trade now. There goes Tesla. You see it? Okay, I only need $50 and I'll be at the 800 I had in the morning. And I basically traded $400 worth of stock in front of you online. Okay, there's 744. There's 743. I want that right there. Okay. Okay, I'm up 768.21. I want to get to 800. Hold on. Hold on. Let me see if I get there. They won't fill me. They won't fill me. And they just filled me at a loss. You see what they just did? You see what they just did? They took $45. You see how they stalled it? This is my platform. They held it. I clicked it and they held it. I was getting this last pop here and they held it until it went here and then they pulled it. That's exactly what they just did just now. So when I see that happen, I get out right away. So they took $60, $50 from me. So I'm up 715.21 on this trade. Okay, I'm going to wait for one more shot at it. Anyway, so what else did we trade today? We traded Apple. That was cool. We traded Nvidia. This was a great play in the morning, long. I had it to 292. Sucker went to 299. Tesla was beautiful. We called for a long here. Janny more credit on this one. 7-11 long in pre-market. Stock ran at 760. And Roku, got to give a shout out to Darkside. Called this out all morning. This was his baby. Straight up called it out. And it was a great day to trade today. Anyway, listen, I'm going to continue trading. Get off the mic. Get off the recording. I love you all. My goal is to hit 800 on this Tesla this morning because I was 8. Here it goes again. Hold on. I think I can get this last bit right here. All right, here we go. Here we go. Hold on. See it? I'm 754.21. I think I can get that last bit. Before I turn. Hold on. I want to go right here. I'm 797.71. Okay, one more trade over 800 on it, and then I got all my money back on Tesla. I'm up to, I think, 500, 600 for the day. I don't know. And then I'll stop trading. Fair enough? One more trade. I was 805 on this trade this morning, and he took it away from me. So I want to get that last bit. I'm going to go right here. $830.69 Tesla. Woo! 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 I mean more. Woo! 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 I love trading. Never give up on yourself. Always believe in what you do. Trade live. Be transparent. Keep energized. And help others. Always be humble. I'll see you tomorrow. Check that out. See you tomorrow. Join us. Awesomecallstrading.com. Sounds like a commercial, I know. All you do is click. Bam, you're in the room. If you want to make money, okay? If you don't have to come in. Bye.